Let's dive into the MSC Splendida, a ship that has been making waves in the cruise industry since 2009. This Fantasia-class vessel is one of those ships that tries to be everything to everyone, and surprisingly, it often succeeds. With a capacity of nearly 4,000 passengers when fully loaded, this floating city offers an interesting blend of Mediterranean elegance and modern cruise amenities that keeps guests coming back for more. When it comes to accommodations, MSC Splendida offers the full spectrum from budget-friendly interior cabins to luxurious Yacht Club suites. The interior cabins are compact at around 140 to 170 square feet, but they're cleverly designed to maximize every inch of space. These rooms prove that you don't need a window to have a comfortable cruise experience, though some guests might feel a bit claustrophobic after a few days without natural light. The ocean view cabins bump up the space slightly and add that crucial porthole or window that makes all the difference for many travelers. There's something psychologically comforting about being able to peek outside and see where you are, even if the view is just endless blue water. The balcony cabins are where things get interesting, offering private outdoor space that transforms your cruise experience from merely staying on a ship to actually living with the ocean as your backyard. At the top of the accommodation ladder sits the MSC Yacht Club, which is essentially a ship within a ship concept. These suites come with butler service, exclusive areas, and priority everything, creating a more intimate cruise experience for those willing to pay premium prices. The Yacht Club guests get their own pool, restaurant, and lounge areas, effectively creating a more exclusive cruise experience while still having access to all the ship's amenities. Dining on the MSC Splendida is where the ship's Italian heritage really shines through, though with mixed results according to guest feedback. The main dining room serves up Mediterranean and international cuisine with a focus on Italian specialties like risotto and fresh seafood. The formal dining experience here is traditional cruise style with assigned seating and multiple courses, though the quality can be inconsistent depending on which night you visit. The Marketplace Buffet is your typical cruise ship cafeteria setup, offering international variety but sometimes lacking in the execution department. It's convenient for quick meals and offers familiar options for picky eaters, but don't expect culinary masterpieces. The pizza station usually gets good marks from guests, proving that it's hard to mess up a classic Italian staple. Where the ship tries to elevate its dining game is through specialty restaurants like Italy, which brings authentic Italian gourmet dining to the high seas. The Asian fusion restaurant offers sushi and dim sum, while the steakhouse caters to meat lovers with premium cuts. These venues require reservations and extra fees, but they generally deliver higher quality food than the included dining options. The variety of bars and lounges throughout the ship ensures you're never far from a cocktail, though the premium drink packages can add up quickly. The pool and outdoor areas on MSC Splendida are designed to handle the ship's large passenger capacity, though this sometimes means fighting for prime real estate on busy sea days. The ship features 3 main pools, including an adults-only area that provides some respite from the family chaos that can dominate the main pool areas. The hot tubs are strategically placed around the pools and on various decks, offering relaxation spots with different views and crowd levels. The sun decks provide ample space for lounging, though the premium cabanas come with extra fees that might make budget-conscious travelers stick to the free loungers. The outdoor areas include sports facilities like a basketball court and mini golf, which are great for burning off those extra cruise calories. The jogging track circles the ship and offers a way to stay active while enjoying ocean views, though it can get crowded during popular exercise times. Entertainment and activities on the MSC Splendid and follow the more is more philosophy of modern cruising. The ship features 2 main theaters that host Broadway-style shows, live music performances, and comedy acts throughout the cruise. The quality of entertainment can vary, but the production values are generally solid, and there's usually something to suit different tastes each evening. The casino offers the full gambling experience with slot machines, poker, blackjack, and roulette for those feeling lucky. Multiple nightclubs and lounges provide dancing and themed parties that can go late to the night, though the music and atmosphere might skew younger than some guests prefer. Daily activities include the usual cruise suspects like trivia contests, dance classes, and pool games, plus enrichment programs like cooking classes and wine tastings that add educational value to the entertainment mix. The MSC Aurea Spa represents one of the ship's stronger amenities, offering a comprehensive wellness experience that goes beyond basic massage services. The spa features modern facilities including saunas, steam rooms, and thermal suites that provide relaxation even on busy sea days. The treatment menu covers everything from basic massages to elaborate beauty packages, though prices reflect the captive audience situation of being at sea. The fitness center is well equipped with modern cardio and weight equipment, plus group classes like yoga and Pilates that take advantage of the ocean setting. The wellness programs include health consultations and detox packages for guests looking to maintain or improve their health while indulging in cruise life. The spa typically operates from early morning until late evening, accommodating different schedules and preferences. Since MSC Splendida caters to families, the kids and teens facilities play a crucial role in the overall guest experience. The kids' clubs are divided by age groups, with activities designed for different developmental stages from toddlers to teenagers. The younger kids enjoy supervised play areas with games, crafts, and educational activities, while teenagers get their own lounges with video games, music, and social events. The family stateroom options include interconnecting cabins and larger suites that can accommodate bigger groups without everyone feeling cramped. Childcare services are available for parents who want some adult time, though these services come with additional fees. The ship's family-friendly approach extends to dining with kids' menus and flexible meal times that work better for families with young children. The ports of call and shore excursions vary depending on the season and itinerary, but MSC Splendida typically focuses on Mediterranean destinations that showcase the region's rich history and culture. Popular ports include Italian cities like Genoa and Naples, Spanish destinations like Barcelona, and Greek islands that offer both ancient history and beautiful beaches. The ship also ventures into Northern Europe for Baltic cruises and occasionally heads to the Canary Islands. Shore excursions range from cultural tours of historic sites to adventure activities like hiking and water sports. The ship-organized tours provide convenience and reliability, though independent exploration often offers better value and more flexibility. Popular excursions include wine tasting in Tuscany, exploring ancient ruins in Greece, and experiencing local cuisine in various Mediterranean ports. The variety of options means there's usually something appealing for different interests and activity levels. Looking at the overall experience, MSC Splendida presents a mixed bag that reflects both its age and its ambitious scope. The ship's strengths include its elegant Italian design, extensive entertainment options, and the exclusive Yacht Club concept that creates a premium experience within the larger ship. The variety of dining and activity options means most guests can find something they enjoy, even if not everything hits the mark. However, the ship also shows its age in some areas, with guest reviews noting that some cabins and public areas feel dated compared to newer vessels. The dining quality can be inconsistent, and the specialty restaurants carry significant upcharges that can inflate the total cruise cost. The ship's large capacity means crowded conditions during popular times, and service can sometimes feel stretched thin when the ship is at full capacity. What makes MSC Splendid a standout from competitors is primarily its Mediterranean flair and the Yacht Club concept that creates a more intimate luxury experience. The ship's Italian design aesthetic provides a more European cruise experience compared to the Caribbean-focused atmosphere of many competitors. The Yacht Club areas offer exclusivity that's hard to find on other ships in this price range, creating a ship-within-a-ship experience that appeals to guests willing to pay for premium amenities. The ship's commitment to family cruising while still providing adults-only spaces shows thoughtful planning that tries to satisfy different guest demographics. Extensive spa and wellness facilities go beyond what many competitors offer in this class, providing legitimate relaxation options beyond just entertainment and dining. For events and conferences, MSC Splendida offers meeting rooms and event spaces that can accommodate business groups and special celebrations. These facilities aren't the ship's main focus, but they provide options for corporate retreats, family reunions, and milestone celebrations that need dedicated space and planning services. Guest experience highlights often center around the personalized service in the Yacht Club areas, where butler service and exclusive amenities create memorable moments. Many guests appreciate the ship's commitment to Italian hospitality, with crew members who go out of their way to accommodate special requests and create celebratory moments for birthdays, anniversaries, and other special occasions. The ship's ability to handle large groups while still providing personal touches in premium areas shows the potential for exceptional experiences when everything aligns properly. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this cruise, you can watch our best cruises playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.